Hello YouTube. This is my garden cart. I have this cart since 2018, I believe. So this cart is very useful working for landscaping. So as you can see, it's very old, and then this wheel, it was blown away. So this is tube-based tire, and then this year I moved to the new house. I'm expecting to have a new landscaping project, so I have to fix this garden cart to working for new landscaping project. So I looked for from online, and I found similar size tire from the Vevor 10-inch non-flat run-free tire wheel. It looks exactly same size, 4.10 3.50-4. So I'm thinking about, okay, here it looks very old tire, 4.10 3.50-4, same size. The problem is the bearing hole size. My original tire is half inch, 0.5 inch wheel, and then this new Vevor run-free tire is 5/8 inch, which means 0.63 inch. So yeah, it's a, as you can see, it's a very wider than original one. So how can I use this one? From the Home Depot, I found this one. This is sleeve bearing. I found from the Home Depot. It's gonna be a $1, maybe 50 cents something. So I ordered 5 of them. So I can put this sleeve bearing. It looks perfectly matched. So maybe the size of this tire is widest is 3 inch, which means I need a 3 inch sleeve bearing, but I cannot find out. This is just 1 inch. So I'm thinking about maybe I can use 2 of them, left or right side. Then I can use this 5/8 inch bearing bore size fit into 0.5 inch, which means half inch size bearing. So let me try this one, and then let's find it out. I can replace these two blown away old tire. Eventually I can toss away, and then I can replace with this Vevor new 10-inch non-flat run-free wheel. I need 2 nuts and the wheel bar and the wheel safety pin. Hey, it looks okay, right? Same one. Sleeve bearing. Can you see? Just cut. Okay, let's go. It looks like brand new cart. No need to be concerned about working perfect.